Hi everyone, and welcome to the Code Clarity podcast. I'm Rena.
And I'm Jean. So Rena, I believe you've had a recent question about use of LinkedIn. Always a hot topic.
Yeah, always a hot topic. I've got a question, and it was from a doctor, and he writes to me and says, I'm new to pharma, having just joined from the NHS. On LinkedIn, I regularly reshare or post articles on clinical trials, congresses, etc. I don't comment or promote in the conventional sense. Now that I've joined pharma, does that mean I will have to stop? Jean.
Right. Do you want the one-word answer?
Yeah, go for the one word, and then you can embellish.
So the simple answer would be yes. However, that may potentially be too limiting of what you could do. So there's a few points here. First of all, that point about I just reshare, I don't comment, so I'm not promoting. As we know, just by even liking it, even if you don't reshare it, even if you just like it, the panel will view that as being under the code because you as an employee of a pharmaceutical company have liked it, so you have distributed it to people within the UK and members of the public. And the second thing is, I hate to say this, Rena, but it depends on what the content of those articles are, and if they relate to the commercial professional interest of the company that you work for, then my original yes, you have to stop doing that stands. But if they don't, if they're about somebody else's product, then actually crack on and actually put a few comments on there as well, as long as they're not derogatory.
I think there's a really good case for the AZ employee who was a scientist, and worked on their own trial and then became an AZ employee and commented on their own trial, which had nothing to do with AZ's products, and a friend's trial, so it all becomes quite fluky, isn't it? So although the blanket answer of no is very compliant, you can't comment, you can't like, you can't share. Of course, you'll avoid all risk that way. And I think you just need to hang on to this golden rule. If it's in the professional or commercial interests of your company, I would say go and look at your social media SOP.
Yes. Yeah.
Not even about the code, really, because as we know, SOPs don't necessarily reflect the code.
Yeah, but they also can trump the code as well. And that's the panel would look at that as well. Not just what does the code allow, but what have you followed? And we've seen lots of social media cases where the presence of a company SOP and policy has helped to defend actions.
Okay, good one. Thanks very much, Jean.
All right, thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.